spicy Korean rice cake. Ayan. Tara na.
Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an easy tteokbokki recipe.
Hey, what's up mga paa? So ngayon, ituturo namin sa inyo kung paano magluto ng tteokbokki, or in English, you call it spicy Korean rice cake. Ayan. Tara na!
Nasabi na ni Eric kung ano yung gagawin natin for today's video. So let's go! So first guys, I'm going to introduce to you the ingredients na gagamitin natin sa pagluluto ng tteokbokki.
1, 2, 3, come on!
These ingredients, guys, are available in the local supermarkets as well as the Korean supermarkets near you. First thing that we need to do, guys, is to prepare the tteokbokki sauce. It is a mixture of Korean chili paste, chili pepper flakes, and then yung sugar. Yung sugar, guys, pwede nyo siyang i-adjust kung gaano katamis nyo gusto yung tteokbokki. Same with chili pepper flakes. So, pwede nyo rin i-adjust to depende sa spicy level na gusto nyo. Mix it well until magkaroon tayo ng paste-like na texture. Guys, actually, yung tteokbokki sauce natin will control the spiciness level and the sweetness level of our tteokbokki. So, here, ipe-prepare na natin yung odeng or yung fish cake. So, actually, this has 4 layers. And, ikakat lang natin siya into square shape. Hugasan nyo muna yung onion leeks bago nyo siya hiwain. And you have to clean the end part thoroughly. Yan. So guys, after natin hugasan yung onion leeks, pwede na natin siyang hiwain into 1 to 2 inches long. So guys, after natin i-prepare yung mga ingredients, pwede na tayong gumawa ng soup stock or ito yung magiging sabaw ng tteokbokki. And again ko na siya ng 3 cups of water. Tapos yung dried seaweed. It's highly recommended guys to put anchovies or kung wala kayo nun, pwede na rin yung nor cubes na shrimp. Just simmer it for 3 minutes and then you can now put the tteok or yung rice cake. Yung tteok, you'll just need to simmer it for 5 minutes and then matanotice nyo parang medyo lumalaki na siya. So, habang niluluto nyo yung tteok, pwede nyo na munang tanggalin yung mga seaweeds and then you can put it later for garnish. Pag napansin nyong medyo lumalaki na yung tteok natin or naluluto na siya, pwede na natin ilagay yung tteokbokki sauce. So, after nyo malagay yung tteokbokki sauce, guys, let it simmer for about 5 minutes and then after that, you'll notice yung consistency nung soup niya or yung sauce niya will be thick. So, pag napansin nyo, ganito na yung consistency nung sauce niya, pwede na natin ilagay yung odeng or yung fish cake. After natin malagay yung odeng or yung fish cake, isimmer pa natin siya for another 5 minutes. So, towards the end, pwede na natin ilagay yung onion leeks and then we'll wait for about 1 to 2 minutes and then voila, we're done! Always remember guys, within those 1 to 2 minutes, kindly stir occasionally para hindi dumikit or masunog yung sauce natin. Once we reach this kind of consistency, it means it's done. And there you have it! You can now enjoy your tteokbokki while watching your favorite K-drama.
As a Korean, di ba, alam mo naman, nagluluto ako. Lagi ka nag-request sa akin. So, kamusta yung mga niluluto ko?
First of all, lahat naman kinakain ko eh. So, siyempre lahat masarap. Pero, naglalasa naman siyang Korean food ya eh.
Yeah. Mga ilang percent?
Mga, let's say, mga 80%. 80% Korean taste.
Wow! Totoo yan, ha?
Totoo nga.
Okay.
Oo nga.
So yun guys,
Yun.
narinig.
Nagpa-practice naman siya eh. Sumisikap naman siya mag-practice kaya okay lang, pagbigyan nyo na.